Morning students, but this is English 2 and the very first chapter in the first term is Mowgli in Trouble. So in your reader books, here lesson number 1, please write down first term. Today we are going to read this and try to understand the things over there. Mowgli in Trouble. First term written, so let's start. Better see, there is the picture of Mowgli. And I wish, like in your notebooks, draw any of the picture from this chapter in your notebooks to make your notebooks more colorful, and write something about the characters like of the picture which you are going to do. See here, Mowgli is given, then on the next page Bagheera is there, Baloo is there, Kaa is there, Ran is there, then we are having the monkeys in this picture. You can draw any of the picture of your choice in your notebook on the very first page and write something about that picture or the character which you are going to draw. Okay, so let's start. Mowgli in Trouble, very interesting story. See, we are going to start from the beginning. Here this one is the summary, like what is going to be in the chapter they have written over there. So let's try to do. In the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, the author of the Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling, make a wavy line under the author's name. In the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, a little boy named Mowgli is the main character. Circle the main character. Mowgli is adopted by a family of wolves and brought up in the jungle. Yeah, because he was lost there in the jungle, so the wolves were there, but the father wolf, the mother wolf, and the brothers and their children, they were his family then, because they adopted him and they have taken care of him. And brought up means, when he was found in the jungle, he was a very small baby, then brought up in the jungle, then he became the young one. Then Baloo, one new character, make a circle or a cloud. So this is a new character, Baloo the bear, teaches Mowgli the way of the jungle, and Bagheera. Yeah, you all are aware of all these characters. I know, because usually the Cartoon Networks they are showing. Baloo the bear teaches Mowgli the way of the jungle, and Bagheera the Black Panther. Let's see the picture once again. The Black Panther. See this one. The Black Panther here. Baloo the bear and Bagheera the Black Panther. Yes, protects him. So the teacher was Baloo the bear, and the person, the one who used to teach the ways of the jungle, this is protects him or saves him, is Bagheera. One day the Bandar Log or the monkeys kidnapped Mowgli. Oh my god. One day the Bandar Log or monkeys kidnap Mowgli and take him away to the cold lairs. This is a place where they took him. Cold lairs. The Bandar Log, the monkeys kidnap Mowgli. So read on to see how Baloo, Bagheera and others save Mowgli from the Bandar Log. Yeah, this is going to be very, very interesting. Before starting reading of the chapter, better let's read something about the author, Rudyard Kipling, this side of your book. And please do the reading properly, because this is going to help you in improving your English in the formation of the sentences. And this way you're going to have more words to express your feelings. So better, this is Rudyard Kipling. They have given the picture. Oh, just wait, let me make it a little clear. Yes, Rudyard Kipling. They have given the date over there down in the bracket. It is given 1865 to 1936. Was an English poet and novelist born in Bombay. Kipling spent the first years of his life in India. Yeah, born in Bombay, so the first years he was there in India. He is an important writer whose works have a special appeal for young readers. Seriously, the children love reading his books. Many of his stories, even the elders also, many of his stories and poems are set in Indian subcontinent and have Indian characters. So very easily you can, relate yourself to the characters. Kipling was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. But this is not going to be asked in the paper. This is something now you start reading all the things about literature. So let's start the reading now. Baloo the bear was delighted to have Mowgli. I hope the thing is clear. Baloo the bear was delighted to have Mowgli as a pupil. Pupil means student. Underline. Pupil means student. Baloo the bear was very happy to have Mowgli because Mowgli was really a good student, very skillful. The boy could climb almost as well he could swim. He knows like he can climb anywhere. He could swim almost as he could run. So Mowgli, very intelligent one. Baloo taught Mowgli how to tell a rotten branch from a good one. But Baloo taught all the ways to move in a jungle, where to go, which branch he should use, everything. He taught him how to speak politely to the wild bees, the language of the jungle, the animals, the bees. So he taught him how to speak politely so that the other animals or the bees should not, hurt him for any of the reason. He explained how to give the warning to the water snakes in the pools before Mowgli splashed down among them. Splashed means move into the water among the snakes. So how to warn the water snakes not to hurt him. So this also who taught? Baloo. I hope you're understanding. Better try to see the sentences, see the words and try to understand the things now. He explained how to give the warning to the water snakes, those who were already there in the water, before splashing down among them, before jumping into the water, so that the snakes should not hurt Mowgli. He also taught Mowgli the stranger's hunting call. Underline the stranger's hunting call. So what is this stranger's hunting call? You'll come to know. See from the next line. This call must be used whenever anyone hunts outside his own grounds. Like the jungle is also having some rules, and all the animals are supposed to follow those rules. And this stranger's hunting call should be given or should be used only if anyone wants to hunt outside his own grounds. Like some grounds, some particular areas are being given to the the animals over there, and they were supposed to only use those grounds for their own hunting and moving places. So if anyone wants to come to the other ground, so they have to give a stranger's hunting call. It means give me permission to hunt here because I am hungry. Very good. And the answer is hunt then for food but not for pleasure. See, something to learn from animals. Hunt then for food but not for pleasure. Pleasure means happiness, means for your own happiness don't kill any animals, only hunt for food. From the branches above, the Bandar Log would watch Mowgli learn and play. But a Bandar Log, the monkeys, they used to watch Mowgli playing and learning the things. They watched his nimble fingers, underline nimbles, given there in the word meanings, quick and light in movements or action, underline. They used to watch his fingers quickly moving, make things out of the twigs, small grass. Actually, he was very skillful. He used to make things out of those small grasses there down, on the ground. They found him to be very wise indeed, very intelligent, and wanted him to be in their tribe. Bandar Log, the monkeys, wanted that Mowgli should come in their tribe. Then Mowgli would share his skills, the things he knows, and wisdom with the Bandar Log. Wisdom means the intelligence. Then Mowgli is going to share all the good things with them, and the intelligence also with the Bandar Log. They believed that he could lead their group, and they were finding a good leader in Mowgli. The monkeys loved this idea because they wanted everyone in the jungle to be envious of their tribe. Envious means they wanted everyone to get jealous of their tribe, that they're having this kind of a leader so skillful and with all the leadership qualities. So one day as Mowgli slept between Baloo and Bagheera, when Mowgli used to sleep between Baloo and Bagheera because they used to protect him a lot, they used to love him a lot. As they loved him a lot, so they used to protect him. He used to sleep in between them. They swooped down on him. Underline swooped means they ran, moved rapidly through the air, from the branches. They moved down, to catch hold of Mowgli and take him away. A group of them lifted his arms and legs and carried him away. And because they were in the group, so some of them they lifted the arms, some of them the legs, and they carried him away. They kidnapped him. The next thing Mowgli remembered was feeling hands on his legs and arms, because Mowgli was sleeping and when he started having the kind of strange feeling was the arms and legs of the monkeys with their hard, strong and little hands on his body. Then some branches swished on his face, hit on his face. Balu immediately woke the jungle with his, next page, with his deep cries. Who was that? Yeah, Balu. Balu immediately woke up and with his cries he woke the jungle. See, it's written, Balu immediately woke the jungle because he was totally surprised that where has Mowgli gone. The monkeys were taking Mowgli away because he saw that the monkeys were taking Mowgli away. Bagheera growled and tried to run up the tree trunk. And Bagheera was making, the noise and trying to run up to the tree trunk to catch those monkeys. The Bandar Log howled with triumph. Triumph means with victory. Howling, making noise by their own, and jumped higher to the upper branches. They were so excited to catch Mowgli. And they were, howling with triumph, making sound of victory. Bounding and crashing and whooping. Better see, they have given the meaning. Bounding, moving quickly. They were moving, jumping movements. Please underline, moving quickly with large jumping movements. They were moving very, very quickly, crashing and whooping, uttering a loud cry of excitement. They were so excited. They were whooping very loudly. Bounding, jumping, moving quickly, whooping loudly with a cry of joy, and whole tribe of Bandar Log swept along the trees with Mowgli as their prisoner, and they were moving and making Mowgli their prisoner. Now see, the things are going to happen here. Mowgli realized that it was useless to look down because he was quite far, up there, for he could see only the top of the branches. He was only, because the way they were holding Mowgli, he was able to only see the branches up. So he stared upwards. Stared means looked upwards, and saw the Ram the kite, the new character, bete. Ram the kite. See, it's given the picture over there. This one. He saw him flying in the blue sky. He decided to cry out to run for help. Oh, brother, run. Observe where they are taking me. Please see where they are going to take me. Mowgli shouted to run. Tell Balu and Bagheera where they are taking me. Run nodded. Nodded means moved the head upward and downward to say okay, and observed the path of the Bandar Log. But now this Run started following the Bandar Log, the monkeys. After a few minutes, he flew away in search of Balu and Bagheera. Afterwards, he started searching for Balu and Bagheera. Then he came to them. Meantime, Balu and Bagheera were furious, very angry with rage and grief, with sadness and full of anger. They were very, very worried. How could the monkeys snatch their dear Mowgli from right under their noses? And they were surprised because Mowgli was sleeping in between them. So how dare the monkeys could take Mowgli right under their noses? Means from there only, where they were both near to him. They needed a plan to get. But the word meanings I have told you to underline: bounding, moving quickly with large jumping movements, whooping, uttering a loud cry of joy, fluttering, a quick flapping of the wings. Yeah, quick flapping of the wings, because now this is going to come in here, fluttering. So let's see. From here, they needed a plan to get Mowgli back. Yes, now they were planning to, find out how to take Mowgli back from the Bandar Log or monkeys. Balu thought hard and then said, the Bandar Log fear Kaa, the corrector. And Balu was thinking very hard, very deeply, and he found that the monkeys fear, they are scared of Kaa. Kaa is a big snake, and the monkeys are really, really very, they are afraid of Kaa. So he thought a plan. The Bandar Log fear Kaa, the rock python, this big snake, the rock python. He can climb as well as they can. He here means the Kaa, the rock python. He steals the young monkeys in the night. They are afraid even whisper his name, because he used to steal the young monkeys, and the monkeys are really, really very afraid of Kaa, and they are even afraid to even listen to hear his name. Let us go to Kaa for help. We will promise him food in return. So they were discussing, Balu and Bagheera, and they thought, why not to take help from Kaa, and we will promise him food in return. Underline, we will promise him food in return. And they both planned, if Kaa is going to help us, we are going to promise him that we are going to give some food in return. When they found Ka, he was stretched out. Yeah, he was taking some stretching out and licking his lips the way usually better the snakes see, licking out and stretching out the body. And see, where he thought, yeah, licking his lips as he thought of his dinner to come, and he was thinking some dinner is going there nearby to come near him. Good hunting, greeted Baloo, and Baloo only greeted like good hunting. All creatures in the jungle greeted each other thus, and they used to greet each other like we used to say hello, good evening, good morning. So they used to say the greeting word good hunting to each other. Good hunting for us all. Ka answered. Ka also answered, good hunting for us all. Baloo, what are you doing in this part of the jungle? He asked that, what are you doing here? It is the Bandar Log that we follow. Then Baloo told, we are following monkeys. Said Baloo, those nut stealers and pickers of palm leaves have stolen away Mowgli. And Baloo said, those nut stealers, the one who used to steal the nuts and the palm leaves, what they have done this time, they have kidnapped Mowgli. Help us get our friend back, said Bagheera. Bagheera told, please help us to get our friend back, and we will repay you this favor, and we are going to repay you back. We are going to give you something in return, the food we are going to give you. Even as he spoke, they heard the fluttering of the wings. But as they were talking, see in the picture, very nicely they have given in the picture. When they were talking, they heard the fluttering of the wings, because Run the kite was moving towards them. And fluttering here means a quick, not clear, just wait. A quick flapping of the wings. Yeah, a quick flapping of the wings. The way you can see in the picture, when the birds, they used to flap the wings, they are making the sound. A quick flapping of the wings, that is fluttering. They heard that. Run the kite landed beside them. This Run came down, then said, I have seen Mowgli among the Bandar Log. He told that I have seen Mowgli among the Bandar Log. He asked me to tell you, and Mowgli only told me to come to you and tell you the things that where the Bandar Log, the monkeys are taking him. The Bandar Log have taken him beyond the river to the cold lair. He told the place, the cold lair. The Bandar Log, the monkeys took the Mowgli to the cold lairs. Thank you, Run, said Bagheera. They were really, finding it very, very thankful. They said, thank you, Run. I will remember you and repay this debt. Better please. And Bagheera told, I'm going to remember this help of yours, and surely I'm going to help you and repay the debt. And this thing is really a debt for us, and I'm going to repay you one day for this thing. Thank you. Take care. God bless you, bete. In the next video, okay?